In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decline Airbnb request. If you're a host who occasionally needs to say no to a booking, this walkthrough will show you the exact clicks and offer a few tips to keep your response professional and your account in good standing. First, go to Airbnb.com in your web browser. Once you're on the site and signed into your host account, you'll see your main navigation. We're going to handle everything from your inbox so you can review the context of the request before taking action. Next, click Messages. This opens your host inbox where Airbnb groups guest conversations and booking activity. Look for the thread marked as a booking request. It usually highlights the dates, number of guests, and a prompt to accept or decline. If you have many conversations, use the filters to surface pending requests so you don't miss the 24-hour response window. Timely responses protect your response rate and keep your calendar accurate. Open the guest request to review the details. This is a good moment to double-check the requested dates, the length of stay, guest count, and any notes the guest left. Make sure the request truly doesn't fit. Maybe the dates overlap with maintenance, the guest count exceeds your limit, or the trip purpose isn't a great match for your house rules. If anything is unclear, you can read the guest's message in the same thread before you proceed. When you're ready to move forward, click Decline. You'll usually find this button alongside the Accept option within the request view. Clicking Decline won't penalize you for responding, and it simply ends this specific request without charging anyone. It does not permanently block the guest from contacting you in the future. After that, select a reason. Airbnb will show a list of common scenarios, like dates not available, not a good fit, or other. Choose the option that most accurately reflects the situation. Being truthful helps Airbnb understand host needs, and it can reduce unnecessary follow-ups. If there's an optional text box, keep your note short, factual, and courteous. Something like, "Thanks for your interest. Unfortunately, these dates aren't available." Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Finally, confirm decline. A quick confirmation screen will appear. Approve it to finalize your decision. You'll return to your inbox, and the guest will be notified that the request was declined. From here, you can continue managing your calendar as usual and stay attentive to any new inquiries. Declining promptly and professionally protects your metrics, sets clear expectations, and helps ensure that the bookings you do accept are the best fit for your home